Here's how to fix no sound on iPhone games. Now, if I open up, for instance, Plant vs. Zombies, you can see here, there's just no sound, no audio coming out, even though I'm playing this. Now, to fix that, let's head into these settings, and the first thing we'll do is we'll scroll down until we get to Sounds and Haptics, and tap on that. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is toggling off the silent mode. So you can see silent mode, turn that off. Depending on which type of iPhone you have, whether it's a newer or older one, the very side there is a little toggle as well that will switch it from ring mode over to silent mode and vice versa. So either toggle that button on the very side or just press it to turn off silent mode. Now, the next thing we will do is we'll go back out here and we'll tap on Bluetooth and just turn Bluetooth off. Make sure that you're not connected to a random Bluetooth speaker that's causing all the audio or sound from that game to be playing in some other speaker or headphones. Now, after we've done that, let's also just go back out of here and we'll tap on Accessibility. And then we'll scroll down until we get to Audio and Visual. And at the very bottom, you can see Balance here. We want to make sure balance isn't all the way to left or right. Bring it to the very center. And now one last thing we'll do is take our finger and swipe down from the top right. You can see that volume button or the volume slider. Let's slide this all the way up. And just like this, it'll work. Let me show you. I'll pop back in here and hit resume game. And just like that, you can see the sound is now working in that game after essentially making sure that your Bluetooth is turned off, silent mode is turned off, your volume slider is all the way up, etc. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.